Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. One of the biggest mistakes digital product sellers make is thinking their product isn't visual enough for Pinterest. According to Pinterest strategist, the key is understanding that your buyer types the problem, not the product name. Pinterest is a search engine with pictures on it, so a sofa ranks because someone typed small sectional for an apartment living room. And the sofa was the answer. So the question is whether your digital product is properly searchable. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna talk about how to use Pinterest to sell digital products. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. First thing first, match the words in 4 places. For a pin to rank, these 4 places must match: pin title, pin description, board name, text on the graphic. So if your pin text says the content vault, but your audience is searching for how to stop running out of content ideas, you are spending your best real estate saying nothing. So use real problem keywords. Your buyer isn't searching for your product name, they are searching for how to stop running out of money, ways to organize my digital files, easy recipes for busy weeknights, and all of this. So try to basically type something that would attract your buyer. We also have this one product $5 ways. Turn one digital product into multiple entry points. Write down 5 real problems your product solves in your buyer's words. Give each problem its own pin. Each pin links to a dedicated page, a blog post, a podcast episode, or a landing page. And that's the whole idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.